the 6 steps. These are the 6 basic steps to solving a sentence completion question. Step 1 is to read and understand the sentence. When we look at sentence completion questions, the word in the blank will fit with the theme of the sentence. When we read the question first, we can get a feel for the theme of the sentence and understand what kind of answers we can expect. This can help us remove wrong answers. This question here is talking about the behaviour of a dog and how it differs to its usual behaviour. Step 2 is to look for keywords. Keywords help us get a more accurate answer, either by using connecting words to show that the blank supports or contradicts a sentence, or by giving us background information that can be used. By using keywords, we can figure out our own answers to the blanks before we even look at the answers given to us. In this example, the word although says that the dog is not behaving in its usual way. Its usual behaviour is ferocious. So for this example, the keywords would be although and ferocious. Step 3 is to find our own answer. In sentence completion questions, it is important to find our own answer. By doing this, we can find the correct answer much faster and get rid of wrong answers. For instance, if your guess at a blank was a word like huge or massive, then you could get rid of answers such as small or tiny. This helps us narrow down the available choices, improving our odds of getting the question right. In this example of the dog, we need to try and guess an answer that is the opposite to ferocious, which means aggressive or violent. A good guess for this answer would be calm, or maybe something like friendly. Step 4 is to compare our answer with those given. Our first guess is often correct, and when we overthink things, we start to make errors. By taking our guess and comparing it to the answers given, we can make a good estimate on the right answer. This helps us if we have to guess the answer, and also makes getting rid of wrong answers easier. Our guess of calm looks like answer B, docile. This means that it is probably the right answer. And if we had to guess, this would be our best choice. Whilst we aren't always right, our first opinion is more likely to be correct. Step 5 is to remove obviously wrong answers. In this example, we have the word docile as our best bet. Regardless, we should still try to get rid of some wrong answers. By removing answers that go against the theme or the flow of the sentence, we can turn 5 options into 3 or 2, sometimes even just 1. This question is saying that a dog is usually ferocious, but not today. If he isn't ferocious today, then we can get rid of any answers that mean ferocious. Answer A, aggressive, is the meaning of the word ferocious. This isn't an opposite, so we can remove this. Answer D, feral, means wild or untamed. A wild animal may be aggressive or ferocious, so this answer is also wrong. By removing obviously wrong answers, we've taken 5 options down to 3. Step 6 is to plug the remaining answers back in and check. Or in other words, put each of the answers back into the blank and read the sentence again. This can help us remove answers that aren't obviously wrong straight away, but sound wrong now. For example, a dog can't really be described as being tolerant, and it's not really an opposite word for ferocious, so answer E is wrong. When we put in answer C, injured, into the sentence, we can see it is a bit out of place. Being injured isn't an opposite of ferocious, and doesn't fit with the sentence. It's a different theme altogether. Our theme here is the behaviour of the dog, and injured doesn't describe a behaviour. This leaves us with answer B, docile, which does fit and sounds good in the sentence. Although usually ferocious, today the dog was docile. As you can see, by following the 6 steps, we can easily solve sentence completion questions. By practicing lots of questions and following the steps each time, we can find the correct answers quickly and easily.